Here's a Razzleberry Jeep Grand Cherokee. Very difficult, expensive color to paint. This fender, the other shops wanted to replace it. He wanted me to try to do paintless dent repair and see how close I could get it. And we started with that. Very, very hard metal to work. A lot of stretched metal, very badly kinked up top. Was able to do a lot with it. If you look, yeah, it's a big mess. But with enough time and patience, I was able to get a very, very close repair and keep it underneath his insurance deductible, so he didn't have to do an insurance claim and get increased premiums and keep the money for his family versus throwing it into the insurance company's pockets. As you see, it came out really nice. Right by the flare, there's still a little bit of flutter, but overall, repair looked really great. When he has some more time and money, I gave him the option of putting more time into it to get a little more perfected, but it was plenty good for him, and if it's plenty good for the customer, then hey, what am I to say? It's not my car and not my money. But if you have anything, feel free to send us pictures, give us a call, email, text, and let's see what we can do for you. Take care. This is Eddie with the Dent Devils Mobile Paintless Dent Repair of San Diego. Thanks for watching, and again, this is Eddie with the Dent Devils Mobile Paintless Dent Repair of San Diego. Feel free to send us pictures or email or give us a call, and let's see what we can do for you so you don't have to do an insurance claim and you can have your car done the same day at your home or office. Take care and be safe.